Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Metal Nativity set is probably one of the most elegant ways to celebrate the Christmas season. These sets blend artistry, durability, and a timeless appeal that can transform your holiday decor. In this video, we'll explore what makes these Metal Nativity sets so special, helping you find the perfect one to add a touch of sophistication and spiritual significance to your home this Christmas. Number 5. Metal Nativity Set with Scripture Study Kit. This 6-piece Metal Nativity set is crafted for both beauty and durability. It comes in various finishes, allowing you to choose the perfect style for your home. This set will be an elegant centerpiece for your holiday decor. It's more than just a decoration, it includes scripture cards and prompts. These elements are designed to deepen your holiday experience. It's perfect for families and gatherings, adding a meaningful layer to your celebrations. With finishes like black, silver, white, and raw steel, you can match it to your interior. The modern options enhance the metal's longevity, while the raw steel offers a natural tone. Remember, raw steel will rust if left unsealed. Each card offers thought-provoking questions to spark conversation. It's a perfect addition for families wanting more meaning in their display. Each piece reminds us of the season's spirit. Its design and meaningful inclusions make it a wonderful gift. Presented in a refined finish, it's a thoughtful way to share the joy of Christmas. Give this to friends, family, or keep it for yourself. What we like. This nativity set is crafted with high-quality metal, offering a range of finishes to match your style. It includes scripture cards and prompts to deepen your holiday experience, making it more meaningful. If you are looking for a way to bring more significance to your holiday celebrations and create a memorable centerpiece, you should consider this. What people say. The silhouettes are carefully crafted right down to the tilt of the people and animal heads, for example. The bottoms of each piece bend to make a flat stand. Made well and will last. Number 4. ROCC CRAFTWORKS Single-Piece Nativity, 18-inch. This single-piece metal nativity set boasts a stunning, minimalist design. It's perfect for modern homes looking to celebrate Christmas with style. Measuring approximately 7 by 18 inches, it's ideal for various indoor displays. You can choose to hang it on the wall or set it up freestanding. This flexibility ensures it seamlessly integrates into your holiday decor. It's a versatile addition to your Christmas decorations. Available in white, silver, black, or raw steel, it caters to various aesthetic preferences. The white, silver, and black options offer rust resistance. Raw steel is perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Proudly made in the USA, this metal nativity scene reflects exceptional craftsmanship. Please note that it may have sharp edges, which is indicative of its authentic, handcrafted nature. This set is ideal for those seeking an African American or Black nativity scene. Its design resonates with diverse cultural backgrounds. It's a thoughtful and inclusive Christmas decoration. What we like. This single-piece nativity set boasts an elegant, minimalist design, perfect for modern homes. It offers versatile display options, including hanging holes and a sturdy bottom tab. If you are looking for a stylish and versatile decoration that complements your modern home, you should consider this. What people say. Love the delicate detail. Great quality and clean cut. It is perfect. It exceeded my expectations. This metalwork is wonderful. Number 3. Evergreen 3-piece nativity yard scene. Imagine your garden enhanced by this beautiful scene. It adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor space, making it perfect for any time of year. This decorative set features intricate details with silver and gold accents. These stunning pieces will bring color and life to your home, especially when the sunlight hits them. This nativity scene is ideal for gardens, patios, porches, and yards of all sizes. It measures 30 by 1 by 50 inches, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor decor. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This nativity scene is perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's a wonderful present for family and friends. Evergreen Flag has been creating quality products for over 25 years. The brand offers a balance of classic and trendy designs at an affordable price. You can trust its quality. What we like. This nativity scene is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, with fade-resistant materials. It brings color and life to your home with its unique decorative details. If you like to decorate your garden or yard with a beautiful and durable nativity scene, you should consider this. What people say. The metal is thick and sturdy. The set is beautiful and well made. The details are exquisite. Number 2. Danya B Nativity Scene 6-piece cast iron figurine set. This handcrafted set is perfect for commemorating the holidays. It features the Holy Family and the Three Kings. It's a beautiful way to celebrate the season. Each figure is carefully cast in iron using the sand casting method. The set includes Joseph, Mary, baby Jesus, and the Three Kings. The bronze finish is designed to last. The set includes all the essential figures for a nativity scene. It's a wonderful addition to any home during the Christmas or Easter season. This artistic piece can decorate any shelf, table, or mantel. Looking for a unique gift? This set makes a great Christmas or Easter present. It's a collector's item that will be treasured for years to come. The figures range from 3.5 to 5.75 inches high, 1.5 inches wide, and 1.5 inches deep. It's the perfect size for display on a shelf, table, or mantel. What we like? This set is handcrafted from cast iron, making it a unique collector's item. It features the Holy Family and the Three Kings. If you are looking for a unique and artistic gift to commemorate Christmas or Easter, you should consider this. What people say. The metal is thick and sturdy. The set is beautiful and well made. The size is perfect for my mantle. Number 1. Danya B 9-inch iron nativity set. This beautiful nativity set is perfect for Christmas or Easter. It features a modern design with minimalist silhouettes, making it a unique decoration. The set includes 6 cast iron figurines. You'll find baby Jesus in a manger, Mary, Joseph, and the 3 wise men. Each piece is crafted from cast iron with a dark brown finish. This gives it a durable and elegant look. It makes an inspiring gift for any occasion. This set is sure to be a cherished addition to any home. Joseph stands 8 inches high, Mary is 6 inches high, and baby Jesus with the crib is 0.4 inches high. The wise men range from 5.63 to 9 inches in height. What we like? This nativity set features a modern design with minimalist silhouettes, crafted from cast iron. It includes baby Jesus, Mary, Joseph, and the 3 wise men. If you are looking for a modern and inspiring Christmas decoration or gift, you should consider this. What people say. The metal is thick and sturdy. The set is beautiful and well made. The figures are the perfect size for my mantle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.